Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Right, so today I'll be doing a jeans try on haul for you guys. If you're looking for quality jeans and you don't mind trying thrift, you want to keep on watching this video because I have a few tips that I will share with you on how to spot a good jean to buy at the thrift market. Okay? Today I'll be trying on three pairs of jeans and I'm just going to show you guys the first one. This is what it looks like. See that? It just looks really clean, and this particular one, yeah, it comes with one button and a zip down here. The quality is amazing. It's top notch. It's just a very good jean. I absolutely love it. Like as soon as I saw it, I knew I'm getting this. But I had to resize it because the waist was quite big. It's a really good jean. It's quite big by the thighs, but I don't mind. It fits my weight perfectly, and the legs are sort of like, you know, pointed towards the end. So I'm going to show you guys the next one. So this will be the second jean I'll be showing you guys today. As you can see as well, this one is a bit blue, but then it also has that off-white vibe. It's not exactly a deep blue jeans, and another thing I love about it is the fact that it comes with all buttons. Of course, when I got it, it was missing about two or three buttons. So I got my stylist or my stylist. I got my tailor to help me fix these buttons, and of course, the waist was sort of maybe bigger, so I needed my tailor to help me, hem both sides of the waist, just the waist alone, because the main jean itself was okay on my body. I didn't think it needed any work. Another thing I did to jean was that I had my tailor to cut the trouser because it was a bit too long. Um, yeah, it was a bit too long. And when he cut it, he had to fold it again and hem it in place. And by the time I wore it, it was looking like a three-quarter jeans, like too short. So I used razor blade to, loosen it. And I think it looks better on me this way. But then this is what the ends are looking like. And I don't mind at all. The cut is straight. So I'm definitely going to rock it like this. It doesn't stretch much. It's just a perfect jean. I absolutely love this one as well. And then the last would be this deep blue jean. Yeah, this one is definitely my favorite. I've worn this one out already. One thing I also did with this one is to hem the waist because it wasn't snatching the waist as I wanted to. And this one also comes with some sets of buttons. So you have to button all the way. I think I really like this type of buttons, but the only problem is when I want to wee, I have to take my time to unbutton all these things before I can use the restroom. But other than that, it's a really nice jean. I love it so much. You guys can tell from the video by the side. It just looks so good on my body. Yeah, it's not stretchy and they're of great quality. I tell you, I'm going to wear this for I'm going to be wearing this jean for quite a while. I know that for sure. I'm not a fan of buying plenty jeans. I used to buy plenty jeans back in the day, but I'm like, if you have like two or three or four good pair of jeans, you can rock them with several, outfits, and you're good. You don't have to fill your wardrobe with jeans up and down. There are other things you need to buy. So yeah, those are the three jeans that I got. So now I'm going to tell you what to look out for when you go to the thrift market to shop for jeans or anything for that matter, but especially jeans. This is what I do when I go to the thrift market to shop. Keep on watching. When you go to the thrift market, you want to be very careful because you can end up buying something that let me just hold this. When you visit the thrift markets, you want to be careful about what you want to buy. I mean, being careful, I'm what I'm trying to say is that you need to know exactly what you want before you leave your house. So when you get there, you are not distracted by so many goods or so many type of clothes that you're seeing on display. So write a list, know what you're going there to buy. I'm going to buy 3 jeans. Just go there and you're going to buy it. What kind of jeans are you going to buy? I actually wanted to buy two one off-white jeans, one very deep blue jeans, and one black jeans. I couldn't get a black jeans. I feel like that's the only thing I'm lacking in my jeans collection. And once I get that, I'm okay for this year, I guess. So yeah, know what you want to buy. And number two, know your size so that when you're at the market and you picked a jean, ensure that it is your size. Most of the time, you might not be able to try them on because of the condition of the market, because everybody's trying to buy what you're buying at the same time. And even the seller might not want you to wear it because sometimes it's a market. The place might be rough and you might not be able to fit it, except you're buying it in a thrift store or from an online thrift vendor. Maybe you can try it. If it's not your size, you can return it. I don't know, but I'm talking about real thrift market. If you know your size, then you can always check. Me, I always check the label. There's always a label that comes with this jean. You can check for the size of the jean. You already know your size. So if you're 28, you should be looking for jeans that fall between 28, 29, something that you can fit. Some of that time, because these jeans are thrift, the label inside might have washed off, or you might not even find the size inside the jeans. So what I do is, as soon as I pick the jean, I've seen the one that I like, I will take the waist of the jean, by hold it like this, and then I put it around my neck. So I put it around my neck. I put it around my neck like that. I'm trying to determine if it's going to fit on my waist. So once the two ends of the jean go around your neck successfully, and you can pin them like that, you will know that this jean is definitely going to pass your booty and get to your waist and stay on your waist. You get what I'm saying? And then I also look at the thighs of the jeans. Some of us have really, really big thighs. So you want to consider the size of the thighs of the jeans, so you know if it will fit you or not. And some other times I also look at the how wide the leg of the jean is. Sometimes the leg of the jean might be too pencil, and even though the upper part of the jean is big, this part of the jean might be too tight for your leg. So you want to put these things into consideration. So, in your quest of looking for quality jean or quality clothes, you want to look very well. In the past, I've ended up buying thrift clothes or thrift items that I never ever wore. It's either because there were some stains on the clothes that I didn't see. I was just excited because it was beautiful at that time. By the time I got home, I didn't like it anymore, and I realized there were some stains, some stubborn stains that did not come off even after I washed them. So it's like my money is just gone and the cloth is useless. Sometimes I have to wear them at home. I can't wear it out. So ensure that the cloth you're picking or the thrift item you're picking, either jean or a top, is clean and it doesn't have any dents, it's not torn. If it's torn, is it something your tailor can help you fix? If they can't fix it, then just leave it alone. You must not buy everything you're saying. That's why I said you should go to the market with purpose. Plan exactly what you want to buy. Don't let them just throw anything at you. If you've really gone to Gbogbo market before, you will see them. They'll be asking, "Auntie na jeans, auntie na top." Once you just say yes, it's jeans or top. Once they look at you like this, they'll just start giving you different ones, and before you know, you end up buying. You've bought a lot of things that you don't need. So don't let them intimidate you. Pick. Look very well. Look at them very well. Ensure that this thing I will wear it. Ensure that you like it, and yeah, you can bargain for it and pay for it. That's really it. That's all my tips. If you guys have other tips of how to shop Bobo or how to shop thrift, please let us know down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys like this type of video so that I can create more for you guys. Okay, so thank you all so much, so much, so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.